Hey guys, it's the Super Gamer Bros here, and today we're doing a Let's Play of Realm of the Mad God. And, I'm gonna show you a dungeon, if we can find it. I guess we're doing Sprite World. Alright, so this is Sprite World, and it's pretty easy. As long as you have pretty decent defense, or decent view. And, there are these sprite things, and the minimum damage they do is 2, and the boss is Ramon. And if we get a quick we can rush the dungeon. Jesus. Basically, the mode has 3 phases. One where he's moving around like this. One where he is... And... yeah, you didn't get to see the third phase. Well, he drops desktop, teapot, potions, and super stuff. So, see you guys.